we are going to learn about discount is of two types, trade discount and cash discounts. Let's learn them one by one. Trade discount is allowed by seller at a fixed percentage on listed price of goods. Trade discounts are usually allowed when goods are purchased in bulks, that is in large quantity. No separate entry is required to be passed for trade discount as it is already deducted from the invoice price. On the other hand, cash discount is allowed when customer makes immediate payment or prompt payment. It motivates the customers to make early payments. Trade discounts are not recorded separately, but cash discounts are recorded. When a discount is allowed to a customer, it is shown on a debit side, and when it is received, it is shown on the credit side, since it is a nominal account. Suppose Preeti has purchased goods worth rupees 1 lakh. On this purchase, she can avail two discount, that is a trade discount of 20% and cash discount of 5%. Let's see how we will treat it. The invoice price of the goods are 1 lakh, on which she will be availing a trade discount of 20%. So the amount after trade discount will be 80,000. If she pays promptly, she can avail a 5% further cash discount. That is, she can get 4,000 extra discount. So the total amount which she has to pay after availing both the discount will be 76,000. And how much is the discount she is getting? She is getting a discount of 24,000. 20,000 for trade discount and 4,000 for cash discount. Trade discounts are not to be recorded in the books of accounts. It will just be adjusted, that is deducted from the invoice price, while cash discount is to be recorded. So this is how we are going to journalize the entry. Purchases account debit amount of 80,000, that is net purchase. To cash, the amount which she has to pay, that is 76,000, and to discount receipt, the cash discount of 4,000 which is to be recorded in books of accounts. 4,000 is recorded here. Coming up to our second example, suppose goods are sold to Trisha worth 1 lakh, and here we are getting a trade discount of 10% and cash discount 5%. This cash discount can be availed only when payment is made within 15 days and she pays only 80% of that amount. Now let's see how we will record these entries. First of all, its accounting treatment will be invoice price of the goods were 1 lakh, and on this a trade discount of 10% is 10,000. So 90,000 is the net sale. So entry on the date of sale will be Trisha to sales account, and the amount recorded will be 90,000 since trade discount is not to be recorded. On the date of payment, our net amount of sale was 90,000 after deducting trade discount. 80% was received from Tisha, that is 72,000, on which she is eligible for 5% of cash discount, that is 3,600. So the final amount she has to pay is 68,400. 20% is still not paid. So our journal entry will be bank account debit 68,400, discount allowed 3,600 to Trisha 72,000. Coming up to our last case, suppose goods are purchased from Kirti, list price is 40,000 and we are availing a discount of 10% trade discount. So our entry will be purchases account debit to Kirti. The list price of the goods were 40,000, on which a 10% of trade discount 4,000 is given, and so the final amount will be 36,000. Coming up to our next entry, that is return goods to Kirti of list price 1,000. Since the list price of all the goods were 40,000, out of these 40,000, 1,000 goods were returned. These 1,000 goods also contained a trade discount. So while returning, we will deduct that 10% trade discount and final amount of 900 is to be returned back. Entry will be Kirti debit to purchase return account and amount will be 900. Paid cash to Kirti rupees 34,000 in full settlement. Full settlement means this is the final amount after deducting all kind of discounts. So our entry will be Kirti debit to cash account to discount received account. Purchases minus purchase return. So the total purchases were 36,000, out of which we have returned goods of 900. So the final amount which is due to her was 35,100 and we paid 34,000. So cash discount is received 1100. So in Kirti debit 35,100, to cash 34,000 is paid after receiving a discount of 1100.